A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start 14th lecture of chapter 13 probability. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed the questions related to NCERT and I have completed Bayes theory, multiplication theory and random variables probability distribution. So class, now today in this lecture I will discuss the questions related to probability distribution of random variables. So class, see, probability distribution of random variables questions. Suppose question is find the probability distribution of number of heads. Question number 1, find the probability distribution of number of heads when 3 coins are tossed. When 3 coins are tossed. This is our question. We have to find out the probability distribution of number of heads when 3 coins are tossed. So class, see the solution. Solution. First of all, coin is tossing 3 times or 3 coins are tossed at a time. So the sample space of tossing a coin 3 times or three coins at a time, that is S is equal to sample space is head tail, head tail, head tail. Now tail head, tail head tail, and last tail head, tail. This is the sample space of tossing 3 coins at a time. Now there are 8 possible outcomes, you know. So we have to find the probability distribution of number of heads. Let capital X denotes the number of heads. Capital X denotes the number of heads. So what we can write? P of X is equal to 0, means heads will be 0. This is 1, only tail. Now heads will be 1. Consider, we are considering number of head is 1. So in case, how many possible outcomes are here? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 possible outcomes. And this is 1, so this will be 1 by 8. because total possible outcome is 1, out is 8, so 1 by 8. So number of head is, number of tail is 1, so this and this, so 3 by 8 is here. Now let x is equal to 2. In case 2 heads, 1, 2 and 3, so 3 by 8. Now suppose 4 is here, this is 1, 2 and 3, number of head is 3, so only 1 is here, only one possible outcome is here. Now the required probability distribution, required probability distribution. See, suppose this is x, that denotes the number of heads and their corresponding probabilities. So when x is equal to 0, that probability will be 1 by 8. When x is equal to 1, number of head is 1, so probability is 3 by 8. When x is equal to 2, then probability will be also 3 by 8. Now x is equal to 3, in case probability will be 1 by 8. See, this is the required probability distribution. We can write required probability distribution. Required probability distribution table. Now this is the answer. Now see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is, see, question number 2. Question number 2 is, two cards are drawn simultaneously. Two cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement. Without replacement from will shuffle pack of shuffled pack of 52 cards. Well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability distribution of number of A's. Probability distribution of number of A's. Now this is our question. Two cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement. Two cards are drawn simultaneously without replacement, and we have to find the probability distribution of number of A's. दो कार्ड्स बाहर निकाले जा रहे हैं और हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बनाना है नंबर ऑफ एस के लिए. जो कार्ड बाहर निकाले जा रहे हैं वन बाई वन, उस कार्ड में से दोबारा वो अंदर भेजा नहीं जा रहा है. सो सपोज कर लेते हैं, लेट अस कंसीडर यक्स डिनोट्स द नंबर ऑफ एस. यक्स डिनोट्स द रैंडम वेरिएबल नंबर ऑफ एस इन टू ड्रॉज. Solution. Let capital X denotes the number of A's in two draws. In two draws. See, now what we can write? सपोज करते हैं हम दो कार्ड्स को बाहर निकालते हैं और वो दोनों कार्ड्स एस नहीं होता है. देन इन केस, और यक्स डिनोट्स द नंबर ऑफ एस. सपोज करते हैं अगर दो कार्ड्स हम बाहर निकालते हैं तो जो हमारे रैंडम वेरिएबल हैं वो कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं. अगर हम दोनों कार्ड्स को बाहर निकालते हैं, हो सकता है दोनों हमारा एस ना हो, ज़ीरो. हो सकता है हमारा एक एस हो, दूसरा नॉन एस हो सकता है हमारा दोनों एस हो. सो देयर आर थ्री रैंडम वेरिएबल्स. सो यू विल फाइंड आउट द प्रोबेबिलिटीज फॉर यक्स इज इक्वल टू 0. इन केस, what will be the probability? This is the probability of drawing two cards which are non-A's. Means result will be 48 times C2, 48 C2 whole upon 52 C2 C. Means total number of non-A's card is 48. So 48 C2 whole upon 52 C2. Now suppose you are considering one card is Ace. So expression will be the selection of single Ace out of 4, that is 4C1, and single card out of 48 card, that is 48C1 whole upon 52C2. This is the probability of getting single Ace card. Now probability of, you can write here because there is no space, 52C2. This is 4 times C1, 4C1 into 48C1 whole upon 52C2. Now in case both are A's, so 4 times C2 whole upon 52C2. This is the calculation in terms of combination, and you can calculate its value also, and its value will be, what will be its value? See, first value for x is equal to 0, this will be after calculation 48 C2 whole upon 52 C2, result will be 188 by 221, and 4 C1 into 48 C1, this result will be 32 upon 221. I am writing here 32 upon 221, and this is 48 upon or 188 upon 221. This is 188 upon 221. Now third calculation is 48 C2 whole upon 52 C2. Result will be 1 upon 221. 1 upon 221. Now probability distribution. Probability distribution of number of A's. What will be the result? See, 1, 2, 3. So, suppose this is x, this is p of x, this is 0, 1, 2. Now, when x is equal to 0, in case you will get the probability is 188 by 221. So, 188 by 221. 188 by 221. Now, second is 32 upon 221. This is 1 upon 221. This is the probability distribution table. Required probability distribution table. Now this is completed. See. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is question number 3. Question number 3 is a fair die a fair die is tossed once. A fair die is tossed once if the random variable is random variable is getting an even number. Random variable is getting an even number denoted by x. Denoted by x. Then find the probability distribution of x. Then find the probability distribution of x. See, a fair die is tossed once. If the random variable is getting an even number denoted by x, then find the probability distribution of x. Now see the solution. Let capital S be the here is a fair die is tossed, so die can be rolled also. So yes be the sample space of rolling a die. Then S, what we can write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now x denotes the random variable getting an even number. So you know how many even number are there? 2, 4, 6, and odd number is 1, 5, 3. A fair die is tossed once if the random variable getting an even number, we are talking about an even number. See, when you will toss a die or roll a die, you will get this outcomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we get an even number or we do not get even number. So we can write we get even or odd. Even number or not get even number. Not get even number. So in case of even number, get an even number, you can consider 0, and get an odd number, get an not an even number, you can consider 1. So random variable you can take 0 and 1. See, now the required probability distribution. Required probability distribution table is see I am drawing here. Suppose this is x, this is p of x. Now you know, in case of 0, in case of 1, getting even number probability is 2, 4, 6, result is 3 by 6, result is 1 by 2. Similarly, not getting even number, also 1 by 2. So this is the probability distribution table. See, now this is the required probability distribution, and you know p of x0, what we can write means not getting even number. In case suppose I am writing here p of getting x is equal to 0, means x is equal to 0 means not getting even number. Not getting even number means 1, 3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5, and its probability you will get 1 by 2, and getting even number for x is equal to 1, suppose that is 2, 4 and 6, so its result will be also 1 by 2, right. And see, now this question is totally completed. See.